Hey guys, welcome back. This is Steve with LRM. Today we're going to talk about the Freightliner M2 Business Class, right? I'm talking to my box truck people out there. What we're going to talk about today is securement of the box, right? What we want to look for. We want to look for the U-bolts or clamps that hold it from the actual box frame to the frame of the body of the truck, as well as the piece of wood, or maybe you may have that little piece of plastic that goes in between. It actually has to be there for a reason, and it helps you guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk around this truck and show you some of the things that you should be looking for, right? Broken welds, clamps, as well as the piece of plastic that goes in between, or the wood. Majority of the time, it's wood, all right? So let's start right into this. I have some fantastic news to tell you guys that the shop is open to the public. We would love for you guys to come down with your truck with any issues that you have. We will show you what the problem is and try to save you that money. All right, guys, so right now I'm underneath the box truck, right, on a 2019 Freightliner M2 Business Class, right? What we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about the U-bolt that we have here, right? And then you have the piece of wood that's in between the box frame and then the actual frame of the truck. So these U-bolts, as you can see, it's a U as it goes across. And what you wanna do is put your hand on the bottom. If you can move this, you need to tighten it up, right? So there's two nuts on the bottom. What you wanna do is just tighten those bolts up so this is no longer loose. Now, if you can't tighten it anymore or you notice that this is broken, I don't want you guys to freak out that, hey, now I gotta lift the whole box up just to get a U-bolt in there. So now they have where they put a plate across, and you can put an all thread bolt and put a nut on top and a nut on the bottom. So what you would do is just cut this off on each side. You can use a torch or a cutoff wheel, and use the cutoff wheel right here because you have a gap, right, between the wood, so you don't hit the frame. So just hit where the wood would be, or if you have a piece of thick plastic, cut on both sides, put the new bolt, so it'll be a plank, it'll be like a flat piece of metal on top, a flat metal piece on the bottom, and it'll be all thread rod, and then you just put washers and nuts on each side and you tighten them up. So you guys don't have to lift the whole box up just to replace a U-bolt. So you can cut it off here. Then the other thing is what you want to look at is the wood, right? So this one, as you can see, it's pretty good. It's not broken, it's not missing. You don't see damage or flaking away. So once you start doing that and you start seeing where there's damage or wood coming out, what you want to do is you want to replace that, because believe it or not, the wood actually absorbs quite a bit of the impact when it hits, and it also stops it from sliding. So just always keep an eye on the space between the frame of the body as well as the frame of the truck. All right, and what you do is just go down the frame, grab each U-bolt, right? And all you want to do is just make sure it's not loose, as well as the wood. Make sure it's in good shape. You want to grab it and use a flashlight. Go right down the line and just check. You can see where it's nice and solid, and the U-bolts, right? They're all nice and tight, right? No issues. And then the next part that you want to see is where, if your truck, which most of them have it, it would be your liftgate. And I'm going to show you in that part on the back end what to look for, like the broken welds, as well as the clamp, and as well as the wood. So let's go back to the back end of the truck. All right, guys, so now we're at the back of the end of the truck, and mine has a liftgate. So again, see the U-bolt, you want to grab it, make sure it's tight, not loose, make sure there's no break, it's not broken. So you'll see that there's a bracket here. See how it's welded on the frame? What you want to look for is no broken welds or anything like that. Because if there's a crack in the weld, that's going to be a DOT violation. So you need to call a welder out, clean it, and put another bead of weld on here. And then this is the part that supports the liftgate. So as you can see, it's welded here, and so you just got to look at all the welds. And if you see a crack there, then you need to get it re-welded. And this also helps if you guys are purchasing a truck, what to look for as well. So just make sure the wood, the clamps, and you check on the driver's side as well as the passenger side. Just walk around, make sure everything's tight, nothing's broken. If it looks like you only see 3 clamps across the body, you should have more than that. If I was gonna say, you should probably have 6 clamps on each side. And then when you have a liftgate, just make sure the welds on the back that hold the liftgate are not cracked, because what you don't want is the liftgate to fall down while you're driving. Hey guys, so real quick recap, right? What we did was we walked around this 2019 M2 Freightliner, talking about securement of the box to the frame. You guys got to touch those U-bolts or the clamps. Make sure they're not loose. If they're loose, tighten them, right? And if you see that they're rusted through or they're kind of stretched out and you can't get any more, please replace them. It's for your safety as well as to the public. And if you guys see the wood where it's missing or it's splintered off and you have a big old gap, start thinking about replacing that wood, all right? And then the other thing is, especially when you have a lift gate towards the back, you'll see that there's a weld that goes across. Now, if that weld is cracked or the part of the frame is cracked, just keep in mind that one, it's for safety. Two, if DOT does see a cracked weld, that is a DOT violation. So if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment at the bottom. If you guys like what you saw, don't forget to pound that like button. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. See you around.